Hi, have you ever had a bad database system? Well, so have I have created a tool today and it connects some SQL, some Excel, and Python. It mainly uses Python to connect everything together, but it's based on a SQL database that, for this hypothetical, is a technology company that is small and they're looking to keep track of their servers in an inventory system, right? So they don't have any database administrators. Nobody really knows how to use SQL, um, but they do know how to use Excel. And so they're pretty happy with that. So I've linked in Excel here because most people in the workforce, I feel like, know how to use Excel. And if they don't have technical skills, I doubt they would know SQL or anything about database systems. So I tried to make something that was more user friendly than a lot of things. So I made it simple, something that someone could see and understands, as what I was thinking. But so I made a Tkinter application to check in on the database and display results and queries in Excel files, basically. So let me show you everything I got here. I've got my GUI, and this is a very long file. But it mainly controls the GUI and it has some functions in there too. But and then here's my query. It has some heavy lifting things, but um, here's my database. You'll get to see it again in a second. And here is my insert into statements for creating that database, just so we have an example of things, right? But let me run the GUI and let me show you exactly what I'm talking about. So I'm going to run GUI and up will come a pop-up. So this pop-up, you can show all hardware that is in the system. You can search by all of these different parameters here and use the value thing to search for like exactly what you're looking for. And you can search and it goes. I'll show you that in a second. You can add servers and you can delete servers from this list. So right now we're just tracking servers because I just wanted to show you guys like the basic outline of my project here. So first, I'll show you all my inventory because I made inventory earlier on my hardware.py there. You saw my crazy insert into statement. So let's go to show all. And what it's doing now is it's closing and reopening Excel, but you always have the most current version. So you saw it was saved with that pop-up. It's closing and it's reopening now. So there it is. So I have it set up to create a new sheet every time Excel opens and closes. So because of all my previous attempts, I have a lot of them open, but this is our current database right here. And it's just an Excel for easy view. So we've got the ID, type, the brand, the model, serial number, location, the purchase price, status, and the purchase date. So that's all great to see. They're all servers, they're all just hanging out. Now though, let's get back to my food. So let's search. I see we have a lot of Dells in here. We can search by brand and we can search by Dell. And then we're gonna hit search. And when we do that, yeah, okay. We had to save because I changed something. Sorry guys. If you don't change anything, you don't have to save anything. So we see the pop-up, save to Excel. Excel is closing right now. It's about to open back up. And it's about to show us our query for what we just looked at for the Dell search. So once it comes back up, I'll show you that. There will be a sheet and it will just be Dell devices. It's coming back up. Eventually. There it goes. So I've reached the algorithm. But okay. This is our Dell search we just went in. So according to this, these are all the Dells on our entire Android system, which is great to know. So now we know everything about all of our Dell devices. So let me go over here. And I'm going to show you a new thing, add server. So you can add server and ask for the type. It's a rack mounted. It's going to be a Dell too. We're going to make it a PowerEdge. Serial number is going to be that. Location, it's here, wherever we are. We got it in 2023 for $2, and it is currently active. And it's in, and all our hardware data was saved to Excel. The server got added, yay! So now, Excel will open back up in a moment, and we will have our new hardware list. So there it is. That's our new Excel, or I'm sorry, that's our new Dell server right there. It's number 32, which is good to know for our next step. Our next step is showing you how to do this. I'm going to show you how to delete a server up here now. So you hit delete server, comes up with this pop-up that says enter your server ID. And we want to delete number 32, so we just made that one. And it's a good example. So I hit delete. Okay. And let's go see if it's still there. All right, everything got saved. It's gonna come back up now. Eventually. When it does come back up, it won't be there. So let's pick the right sheet because I'm constantly one. And it's not there anymore. There you go. Number 32 went away. But that's all for my little application. I just thought it would be a good thing to make because I've seen some really bad inventory systems that are just either not effective or just not functional or just not fun to use. So I thought this would be a pretty good project to try and make a decent one on a very small scale, of course. And that actually worked, that people can understand in Excel. And I think I succeeded on that, but it's definitely not as beautiful as I'd like it to be, really. But this is just a small scale version, so I'm not expecting the world from it. But I'm happy with it. I really am. I'm happy I have the functionality it does, and that it does display things in Excel well, and that I was able to use Python to do it. It was a good project. So thank you for watching.